The base will be delivered as shown with the 3 legs folded up. Rotate the first leg into place as shown and secure it into position with a 5/8 nut and bolt, with washers on both ends. Turn the base and repeat this process with the second leg. Next, tighten all 6 bolts on the top of the king post. Now all 3 legs should stay rigid and not wiggle. Flip the base over and position it at the location which you intend to install the tower. A GPS device may be needed to get the exact location for the tower. The next step is to mark the locations for the 3 ballast blocks. The edge of the ballast blocks are 8 inches inward from the headless clevis pin. Mark this edge with a line of paint. Then mark a line to indicate the center of the ballast block. Once all 3 ballast blocks are in place, maneuver the base as shown onto the top of the ballast blocks. Secure the ballast clamp to the ballast rail with the square U-bolts as shown. Now fully extend the turnbuckles and secure all 6 to a guy anchor bracket. There are 3 threaded coupling blocks, 2 with a round hole and 1 with a slotted hole. Install the slotted block on the bolt, which is opposite to the direction the tower will point when horizontal. Adjust the heights of the 3 coupling blocks with the level tool to ensure all 3 blocks are level. Make sure each of the 3 blocks are oriented so that all holes face the same direction, perpendicular to the direction the mast will be installed. Assemble the 3 roan hinge stubs on the bottom 10-foot roan section so that the hinges all face the same direction. Then secure the stubs with the roan connecting bolts. Line up the 2 bottom hinge stubs with the 2 coupling blocks that have round holes. Secure them in place with the hex bolts as shown.